Holy crap, guys. All I can say is thank you. I have been getting tons of orders from my website. I never knew the lighting products were going to be this popular, and I cannot thank you enough for all the support. I've already ran out of 2 products, just to kind of give you guys kind of a time frame. Some of the stuff that I ran out of the adapter plugs that I'm making, and I will be having those back in stock this weekend. Been a little busy this week. I'm looking at hopefully Friday afternoon, Saturday. I'm going to get back to soldering some of those up so I can get I want to get at least 20 of them made up to get back on the website, because I'm blown away at how popular they are. And the other thing that I have that's really popular that's already sold out is my modular building connectors. I'm going to try and get some of those together if I can. I'm out of a few things I have to order, so it's going to be a little bit of a longer lead time on the modular building connectors. I still have a few more of my magnetic connectors. I've got to make some more up though. I got to drill some more stuff out. I got to get some more things lined up. But I do have some more of those prepped and ready. Those are almost sold out. I think I still have 5 listed. But again, this weekend, that's another thing I'm going to try and do, is get some more of those made. But I just really quickly wanted to say thank you, guys. Again, I cannot believe all the awesome support. I can't believe how popular all my lighting products are. You guys are freaking amazing. I cannot thank you enough. And I'm hoping, because I'm trying to keep ahead of the orders, and it's kind of hard for me because I'm a one-man show over here, but I'm hoping at some point I'm going to start having enough inventory where I can take a break and do some building, because I know a lot of people have been dying to see some videos, and I have not touched my city in weeks. I haven't even touched Lego in weeks. As you can see, just by looking at this quick scan of my city, I have not had time, but this is keeping me a lot busier than I ever dreamed it would be. But again, because I am slowly building up stock and I'm slowly building up inventory. Hopefully I'm shooting for like the next month to 2 months that I will get enough stuff ahead that I can actually get some build work done. I just wanted to again say a huge thank you. You guys are awesome. Thank you for supporting my products. Thank you for buying my products. And couldn't do it without you. So see you next time on Bevins Bricks.